Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic for discussion is breakdown of e-commerce business models and how to choose the right one. Did you know that Amazon started as a simple online bookstore? Now it's a $1.7 trillion company. But which of the 6 e-commerce business models made this possible? And which one will make you money in 2025? E-commerce, or electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. The business model in e-commerce often holds more weight than the product itself because it defines how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. A brilliant product with a flawed business model may fail, while an average product with a strong business model can thrive. Now let's discuss business models one by one. Number 1. Business to consumer, B2C. It means selling directly to consumers. Amazon and Walmart are perfect examples of this business model. Number 2. Business to business, B2B. It means selling to other businesses or retailer. For examples, Amazon Business and Alibaba. Number 3. Consumer to consumer, C2C. Platforms connecting consumers, you can consider Etsy and eBay as examples. Number 4. Consumer to business, C2B. Individuals selling to companies, such as Upwork and Fiverr. Number 5. Business to government, B2G. Businesses selling to government entities. Let me explain it more to you. Business to government, B2G model, is a business model where companies sell goods, services, or information to federal, state, or local government agencies. This model is often also called business to administration, B2A. Unlike the B2C or B2B models, B2G transactions are highly regulated, formal, and typically involve a structured bidding process. Governments publish their needs through requests for proposals, RFPs, and businesses submit bids to win a contract. While the sales cycle can be long and complex, government contracts are often large, stable, and long-term, providing a reliable revenue stream for a business. For example, a large office supply company secures a contract to provide all of the desks, computers, and paper to a government building or agency for a set period. Number 6. Drop shipping, selling without inventory management. Which business model suits you depends on how you will source your product. For example, number 1. Direct to consumer, D2C, means selling your own products directly. Number 2. Wholesaling. It means that you are buying in bulk at discounted rates. Number 3. White label means you are simply putting your brand on generic products. Number 4. Private label means that you are manufacturing exclusive products. Number 5. Subscription models means that you are running recurring revenue systems. Imagine you run a small business that needs a steady supply of coffee beans to sell. Instead of placing a new order every week and hoping they're in stock, you sign up for a subscription with your coffee bean supplier. This means you pay them a fixed amount every month, and in return, they automatically send you a set amount of beans. This makes your life easier because you always have what you need without having to reorder. And your supplier can plan their inventory better, sometimes giving you a better price. It's like a membership for getting your business's supplies. Now, how you will choose framework or select business model and sourcing method depends on these, such as startup capital availability, technical skills, inventory management preferences, marketing strengths, and long-term goals. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.